All right, so here I'm doing a little voiceover because I have the mask on. I've just opened up one of the This Little Piggy constellation, and look at all of it in the air. This is why you want to wear a mask, because this can irritate your lungs. I read somewhere that once you have mica in your lungs, your body really can't get it out. And if you have prolonged exposure over and over like me, you can see all the paints I'm making there. You're going to keep that in your lungs. So, wow, look at it. I just bring the camera up a couple of times so you can see it. See it all glistening in the air? I mean, in real life, I mean, that's all the camera could get. But in real life, wow. I mean, there was so much there. Here, I've just kept the recording on so you can see what it's like. It's still in the air. And that's nothing compared to how much poofs out of there, especially if I store it upside down and then I tip it over and open it up very carefully. Look at all that. So you don't want to get that in your lungs. Just go to Lowe's or somewhere like that and buy a mask and put that on when you're working.